Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Both machines must be reachable on the same network, and you need administrative access. Once done, enable network discovery and file and printer sharing in Settings Network and Internet Advanced Sharing. Next, choose the folder or drive to share and note its exact path. This avoids mistakes later. Make sure your network profile is set to private so Windows applies sharing policies. From here, you'll open File Explorer and locate the target drive. You now configure the share itself. Right-click the folder or drive, choose Properties, then Sharing and Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder and set a clear share name so devices can find it. Configure the number of simultaneous users if needed. Click Permissions to control who can read, write, or modify. Grant change only to trusted accounts, otherwise give read. If you prefer user-level control, use Share to select specific Windows accounts. Once applied, Windows creates a network path you can copy. Finish by testing access from a client. Press Windows +R, type the UNC path /hostname /sharename, or map a network drive in File Explorer. If you can't connect, make sure the target account exists and you used correct credentials, and verify both share and NTFS permissions align. If problems persist, allow file and printer sharing through Windows Firewall or briefly disable the firewall to isolate the issue. Remember to re-enable protection and add a specific rule rather than leaving the firewall off for safety.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.